Everyone wants to turn their ideas into income, but when you try to decide what to focus on, it's easy to get lost between what you love, what you're good at, and what people actually want. That's where the magic happens, at the intersection of passion, skill, and demand. Passion is what gives you energy. It's what you could talk about for hours without getting bored. It's the thing that keeps you curious, the topic that makes you come alive. Passion fuels consistency, and consistency builds trust. But passion alone isn't enough. You can love something deeply and still struggle to make it work if you haven't developed the skills that turn that passion into something valuable. Skills are what make your passion useful. They're the tools that allow you to express, teach, solve problems, or create something that others value. Your skills are how your passion takes shape in the real world. And then there's the third piece, demand. This is the marketplace asking, will people pay for this? Will they care enough to listen, watch, or engage? This is where many creators get stuck. They focus only on passion and ignore demand, or they chase trends and ignore their true interests. The secret is to stand right in the middle, where what you love overlaps with what you're great at and what others actually need. That's your sweet spot. Imagine it like a Venn diagram. One circle is your passion, the second is your skills, the third is demand. The small area where all three meet, that's your zone of opportunity. It's not about chasing every interest. It's about focusing your energy where your excitement and expertise meet someone else's problem. Think about it. Every thriving business or personal brand starts by solving something real. People don't pay for your passion. They pay for how your passion improves their life. Maybe you're passionate about storytelling, skilled in communication, and you notice a demand for creators who can help small businesses share their message. That's a niche. Maybe you love fitness, you're skilled at coaching, and you see people struggling to stay consistent with workouts. That's another niche. You don't need to invent a new topic. You just need to express a timeless one in a way that's uniquely yours. And here's the best part. You don't have to have all three circles perfectly balanced when you start. You can begin with two and grow into the third. If you have passion and skill but no demand yet, start sharing your message and testing what resonates. If you have skill and demand but lack passion, ask yourself if you can bring more of yourself into the work to make it meaningful. If you have passion and demand but lack skill, invest in learning and practice until you can deliver real value. Over time, you'll find your alignment, and once you do, things begin to flow more naturally. That's when your brand feels effortless. You're not forcing content. You're simply expressing what you love through what you're good at to help the people who need it most. And that's how you turn purpose into profit. But remember, this isn't a one-time decision. Your intersection evolves as you do. As your skills grow and your passions shift, your opportunities expand. The key is to stay curious. Keep listening to your audience. Keep refining what you offer. Because your best niche will always sit where your joy meets someone else's pain point. So if you're still searching for clarity, stop asking, what should I do? And start asking, what do I love enough to stay consistent with? What am I skilled enough to help others with? And where can I create real value in someone's life? The answer to those three questions is your foundation for a brand that lasts, not just a quick trend, but something sustainable, meaningful, and rewarding. Because the intersection of passion, skill, and demand isn't just a strategy. It's your roadmap to building a business that feels like you.